Well, it's 10 degrees out. Supposed to get 6 to 15 inches of snow, and we need to milk the cow. All right, got them on. That was a little bit of a pain. We got good drifts back here behind the building. Got milk coming in. Oh, she dropped apparently. I don't know. Guess she just didn't care. Just happy to have feed. This is what you want a milk cow to be. You can see our other video where my wife calls the cow from across the creek way over there on that hill, half a mile away, and they come running. It's about 10 degrees and -4 with the wind chill. And we got all kinds of snow. We couldn't move the milker to the barn over there because of all the snow and the 2 to 3 foot drifts. And we got some big drifts behind the pole building here. Right, dog? Right, River? So we're milking the cow over here because we can't move that on wheels over there. Looks like it's still got a little milk coming. All right, so the milking is done. It's done coming out. Gonna disconnect. And she is a super nice cow. Doesn't mind if I grab her tail and move it out of the way so we can see. And just want to keep it clean. Drain the milk in. And no, the dog doesn't get any. All right, let's pull this around and we'll put the cow away. Although she seems happy just eating.
Yeah, I've never been able to just have a rope around a cow before.
Super easy to milk. She's about 3 years old. Super nice. So we're glad to have her. Okay, bringing the cow back to her snow-covered pasture. She doesn't mind the crazy stinking dog jumping and bounding around who likes the snow. Come on, River. Take her through the gate here. Grafted onto her. Super easy. Didn't know if she would take a foreign calf that wasn't hers, and she took it instantly. Next time we're going to try a couple. They're a little expensive to buy, but his name is Mustard. And yes, he's huge, about 8 months old, and he drinks all the milk from her, so we don't have to milk. And those are the sharks, or some people call them goats, my pack goats.
Ow, 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 ow.
No swearing on camera. All right, Mustard, you ready to come out? Yep, shaking her head yes. I guess that's a yes. And you would think he was starving. Which, let me tell you, you can look at him and see he's not starving. We usually leave a little milk for him, but not much. She usually drops more milk for him. And these are the pack goats running for shelter. We got a feed later today. That'll be awesome. Anyways, that's Mustard eating off her surrogate mother, Spice, who did an awesome job milking. Good girl. All right, we put the filter on to get any contaminants, although it's much cleaner with the milker now. Alright, gonna get the milk out. Let's see how much, if we can, not a lot, nope, not a whole lot, but it's cold and miserable, and
I'm going to drink now.
maybe half a gallon or something. I guess that's better than nothing. Usually from her this time of year we get about a gallon, but oh well, I guess that's it. All that for a half a gallon of milk, but that'll last us a couple days. Bummer. Last time we got like a gallon and a half.
Yeah, it was nice.
Well, the cows have gone to water, which you probably can't see through the bright window. As you can see, Spice gave us about 3/4 of an inch of cream on about a half a gallon of milk. Normally, if we separate her for 12 hours, she'll give us a gallon to a gallon and a half of milk. However, in Montana, we've been suffering from severe cold with temperatures reaching -25 and highs of about -5 for the past week and a half. Both Spice and our chickens have kind of gone on strike and are just in survival mode and are not really giving us a lot of eggs or milk. Even the pack goats have been hiding out in their shelter. Please continue to follow us on our future videos as we show you Montana living.